Ready, start. The plaintiff has filed the suit for recovery of the farm the defendant. The facts for deciding the suit as can be gathered from the pleading of the parties. According to the plaintiff, it is construction company and Sri Arun Nagoji Rauji Akotkar is a proprietor of the said company and it has got with the state of Maharashtra government registration and other public authorities as a contractor. The defendant Chikaldara Municipal Council has issued a tender notice on in daily newspaper Lokmat Samachar calling bids for the proposed construction for a jogging track near Sakkar Talav at Chikaldara, district Amravati for amount of full stop. Para. The tender of plaintiff was accepted with above the estimate rates. The plaintiff has deposited against security deposit wide FDR dated 27th August 2010 issued by Central Bank Chikaldara and the term deposit receipt also converted in security deposit. Thus, the total security deposit was of after all the formalities, the defendant municipal council execute an agreement on and the work order has been issued. The completion period of month was given from the date of work order which would be as taken up to it further aware that the plaintiff issues letter to defendant on and on for the layout of the said work but defendant failed to give layout. The plaintiff has cleared the site by removing debris, trees and brush and leveled the ground. The plaintiff has mobilized the machineries like JCB, excavators, tipper, truck, road loader, constructor mixer at site. But as the layout was not given by the defendant, the laborers and machineries which were mobilized at site remained idle, resulting into loss to the plaintiff. The several correspondence was made regarding delay and in respect of layout, but there was no effect at all. The construct and the contract period is expired on without any work and therefore the plaintiff sustained heavy financial loss. The defendant has not fulfilled the condition of the contract and thereby the defendant has committed breach of contract. So the plaintiff has issued notice and filed the present suit claiming the damages like security deposit and charge loss by machineries and labor idle, expected profit and notice charge to the tune of the cause of action for the suit arose when the work order is issued to the plaintiff of the defendant on the period of contract expired on. The mandatory notice is issued on the minder notice is issued on at Chikaldara, Taluka Chikaldara and district Amravati. Full stop.